Experience postgres.new, a groundbreaking in-browser Postgres sandbox with AI capabilities. Instantly create unlimited Postgres databases all within your browser. Paired with a large language model, Postgres.new offers unique features: import CSV files with a simple drag and drop, generate reports and charts, and even build database diagrams. All operations are local to your browser, combining the power of Postgres and AI. Queries run directly in your browser, thanks to Pig Lite, a WebAssembly version of Postgres. The tool is motivated by AI-driven development, Postgres sandboxing, and cost-effective databases. It offers full autonomy to the AI model, enabling seamless operations without user intervention. CSV imports are error-tolerant with AI, capable of self-correction. Charts are rendered using Chart.js, allowing for quick data visualization. It supports multiple data persistence backends and a range of Postgres extensions. Coming soon are features like database deployment to S3, support for more file types, and database sharing. All components are open source, encouraging community contributions. Discover the power of Syncly AI, a tool that centralizes customer feedback and uncovers the reasons behind negative experiences. It's backed by Y Combinator and trusted by customer experts. Syncly uses AI to provide insights from everyday interactions, eliminating the need for manual tagging. With dynamic sentiment analysis, it helps you engage customers at the right moment and prevent churn. Syncly's AI answers customer-related questions in seconds. Reporting is simplified with customizable dashboards, allowing teams to quickly align and take action. Experience seamless integration with your favorite tools. Start your free trial with Syncly today and book a demo to become a true customer expert. Discover Tonic Textual, a platform designed to unlock the potential of unstructured data for AI development. It offers a suite of tools to extract, govern, enrich, and deploy data efficiently. Tonic Textual's AI-ready data ensures built-in privacy, making it ideal for generative AI development. The platform automates the extraction of data, structures it, and standardizes it into formats suitable for AI. It uses NER models to enrich data, enhancing the performance and accuracy of RG systems. Sensitive data is protected through discovery, tagging, and redaction, preventing model memorization and leakage. Integration with leading embedding models and AI platforms allows for seamless deployment. Tonic Textual supports a wide range of data formats, making it versatile for various data sources. It's available on AWS Marketplace, Google Cloud Marketplace, providing flexibility in deployment. With Tonic Textual, you can activate and protect your enterprise unstructured data for AI development in minutes. Meet Motion, the AI assistant revolutionizing productivity. Motion automates task scheduling, ensuring a perfect plan every day. It prioritizes tasks, making sure you focus on what matters. Project management is simplified, turning complex lists into optimized plans. The happiness algorithm, unique to Motion, maximizes satisfaction and productivity. Motion tracks deadlines, ensuring you never miss one. Sync your calendars for a master view of your schedule. Workload reporting helps set realistic deadlines and prevent overcommitting. Automated meeting scheduling saves time and effort. Motion is loved by users for its ability to manage ADHD, overcome executive dysfunction, and balance work and personal life. Teams can also benefit from Motion's project management and task prioritization features. It integrates with popular tools and calendars for seamless productivity. Try Motion for free and experience the difference. Introducing the AI Gateway for Engineers, a tool that simplifies AI development and deployment. With just 2 lines of code, you can log requests to your database, optimize, and run experiments. Trusted by innovative teams, it offers easy onboarding and powerful analysis. Monitor usage, calculate costs, and fine-tune models with customizable JSON objects. Reduce costs with caching and batching, and gain transparency into API. Velvet is designed for engineers, offering flexibility and full data ownership. It supports OpenAI and Anthropic API with PostgreSQL database integration. Start for free with up to 10K requests per month. Velvet helps analyze, optimize, and fine-tune AI features. Learn more and get started today.